where can you see that?
It was this, and it was flying there.
In the sky?
Yes, and it was super little. That's why you was able not to see it.
Okay, fine.
But now it's gone.
It's gone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we live, Prisha. Hello everyone, how are you? You want to say hello to everyone?
Hello.
I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I'm here to invite you all for a one-on-one call with me, which I have done before, and I got a massive response from the people, those who, had some doubts about the online business. They had some questions which they wanted to get clear, and I was lucky that people got on call with me and I was able to answer their questions. This time I'm coming back again. Okay, so I have already put a link above on this live video. You just need to click the link, select your day and time, okay, and put other details in and book your call with me. We will go on a one-on-one call. It's a 15 minutes call where I will answer all your questions about the online business opportunity we are offering to everyone. And do not hesitate, okay, and do not be reluctant. If you have any questions, this is your chance, okay, and let me answer your questions and then you decide what you really want to do. Papa. Yes, Babu.
Look.
Yeah. Hi, Vivian. How are you? Thanks for watching. So, guys, just click the link and book a call. It's not going to... and I'm 100% sure this 15 minutes will going to change your life around. Stop doing that. No, that. So guys, click the link above and book your call. Okay, I will give you a call. And there are time and slots available. Who's that? Who's that? Tara. Hey Tara, thanks for watching. See, now Prisha knows who's Tara. So, yes guys, book your call, and before you come on the call, have your questions ready, okay? Because you might be having lots of questions. Yes, beta. Yeah. Hi Sanuja, how are you? So, you might be having a lot of questions. You might be having a lot of doubts, okay? And that's totally fine. Okay, let me answer those questions and make sure that you are clear about what we're offering. And Tara is saying, hello, little Missy. Beautiful little Missy. So, yeah. So, guys, yes, let me help you, okay? Because do not let this opportunity go away without exploring. Okay, because we're not pushing anyone, we're not forcing anyone, there is no obligation. We already offering you the free webinar where you watch the process, what we offer. Yeah, so this time it's your chance to speak to me. Okay, I know I'm not there on the webinar every time, okay, but this 15 minutes, let me answer your questions on one-on-one, you and me, no one else. I hope, looking forward to speak to you over the phone. Yeah. Paul. Hi, Paul. How are you, Paul? Thanks for coming in, mate. I hope you're doing fine. So, yeah, guys, click the link above in the description. Select your day and time. Put in your details. And I will get a notification. And then let's get on call. And for now, bye-bye from my end. You take care of yourself and stay safe, okay? Why are you doing that? Why? crazy. Say bye to everyone. Come on. She's mad. That's what happening nowadays, you know. The kids are home. Bye, guys. Bye. Take care.